Weekly cleaning is recommended to keep your Vicks Starry Night Cool Mist Humidifier running efficiently. Before cleaning, turn off and unplug. All maintenance should be done in the kitchen or bathroom on a flat, water-resistant surface near a faucet. Follow this two-step cleaning process to remove scale and disinfect your humidifier. Both steps are important and must be performed separately. Remove and empty the water tank. Next, remove the filter and set aside. Fill the filter tray with undiluted vinegar. Pour vinegar into the water tank. Replace the cap and swish in a circular motion. Soak for 15 minutes. Using undiluted vinegar, wipe the base thoroughly. Rinse the water tank and filter tray thoroughly with water to remove the scale and until the smell of vinegar is gone. Next, carefully rinse the base, ensuring that no water enters the grills. Next, put on gloves to begin the disinfecting process. To disinfect, dilute 1 tablespoon of bleach in 1 gallon of cool water. Pour the solution into the water tank and replace the cap. Remove the filter tray and carefully pour some of the bleach solution. Soak for 20 minutes. Using a cloth, wipe the base with the water and bleach mixture. After soaking, carefully empty the bleach solution into the sink and rinse with water until the smell of bleach is gone. Your humidifier is now clean.